Dane's let us use the buggy, and we're just rocking up now. Oh shit! No way! What the? Hey, wait, that's our car.
That look unreal.
Holy Jesus, man!
That doesn't
Try
look
not to
unreal.
swear. I'm trying to end it. Oh,
You say it doesn't look unreal.
Yeah.
it doesn't look real.
Oh, 1 minute.
Tell me, is it whack up in the air? Rapping scattered off the gear. I can map him, yeah, it's like a tracker. Get distracted, send him back like in the mail. Not a fraction of them real. Catch him like and run the drill. Bro, running through the shit like a motherfucking dage. I got. Of mine of liquor is sick and divine. It's twisting my words into lies. I'm spiritual with sacrifice. I'm taking the soul to keep minds. I feel so alive. The blood in my eyes is also in yours. What you living for? Shit, I take your life. Maybe I should. Are you down the ride? Do you want some more? Cause I got it all. The lights, the camera, the action, the bad bitch. You say that she love you, she acting the drugs. The money, the power. Told you what is ours for life. Look at me, you coward. Distractions turn minutes to hours and times of the essence. Don't tell me you doubt it. You know that I'm about it. Just down it. Your future is here. Look around you. I got you. Can't open your eyes. You are blinded with drink. Smoke.
That's crazy. Can't even put your finger in there. Can't even put your nail in there.
Huh?
Oh, the blue's so nice, eh?
Yeah.
Oh. You reckon it's cool?
Watch the door. So freaking low, holy moly. What? This is some Xavier shit right here, what the
I'm actually stuck because I don't have a vacuum for the window yet.
Oh wow. This could be interesting.
I'm actually stuck in the car.
Well, I can just drive us home and you can just stay like that.
We can do that. I'll just sit like this.
Well, let's check the other side. This side's good.
Oh, what?
Come out this way.
So smart.
Yeah, I've got an exit point. Not sure how. How's that? You've got the left side higher. What's up with the gear knob?
That's the hydro.
Yeah, but why has it got that on it?
Protect it from the
The wet side is so hot.
Hey guys, just wanted to add in this clip at the end here because I didn't do too well of a job at filming the whole paint shop experience. Dane wasn't there, unfortunately. That's okay. The other staff were super helpful and gave me the rundown. Just want to say a massive thank you to the Loco team. The colour has turned out so much better than I could even imagine. Dane's got his own touch. It's a Bayside R34 blue, but Dane does tweak it a bit to get it to really pop. Man, it looks incredible in the sunlight too. But the day when we picked it up, all this footage is not very sunny, and in direct sunlight, this thing looks insane. Yeah, it's definitely very, very, very nice finish. So it is a drift car. A lot of people told me I shouldn't drift it because it's like a show car. I should just keep it pristine. That's not the plan. It's built to drive, and I will be getting some photography done first, and go to roll racing, do happy laps, that sort of thing first, before I take it to the track and drift it, because obviously it's not going to stay pretty. So yeah, if any photographers are on here watching, photographers, let me know. I'd love to do some rollers and that sort of content, and capture the beauty of it while it's still looking real nice. And yeah, thanks heaps for watching. It's just amazing that it's taken 5 years to get here. I thought it would be like a 2-year build. But 5 years to get to this point. Yeah, it's been a long time. A lot of lessons, a lot of emotions, a bit of a roller coaster, and it's my dream car, so couldn't be more happy. Thank you everyone for supporting me, especially people that have helped out with the build. Just super grateful at the moment. The car is literally on the dyno right now, and it's making good power, so thanks again. See you guys on the next one.